Hello guys, andito po tayo ngayon sa premiere ni Miriam Official. Yan, para maghatid ng isang pagbati. Yan, bago pong lahat ay mega-love shoutout po sa lahat. Maaaring yung iba po ay nagtatanong kung nasaan na si Lon Sandoval Official. Yan, medyo nag-live lang po tayo ng konting oras hanggang ngayon. Buwan na pala, hindi oras. Anyway, I am in good shape and salamat kung na-miss nyo ako. Yan. Yun nga, binabati kita, Miriam Official, hanggang May sa iyong kaarawan. At sana maligaya ka sa araw na ito, and good health sa iyo, more power sa iyong career as a vlogger, creator, content creator, iba pala yun. At saka yun nga, and more blessing and napaka supportive mong tao, and wala akong masabi sa iyong kabaitan. At sa sobrang kabaitan ay nangyayari ang hindi inaasa. Ayun, langgamay, naulit ko, I wish you good health and siyempre more birthdays to come. Sana kumbaga maka-for good ka na para makasama mo ang iyong pamilya. Yan. Sino pa ba? Ayan, dyan po sa baba, lahat kayo dyan, mega-love shoutout po sa inyo. At lalo na siguro kung nanonood si ano. Okay. At yun lang po, and maraming po salamat.
Hello MJ, happy 18th birthday. Kumusta ka na? I hope you're healthy, happy, and wealthy. Wish ko lang sa'yo palagi, may all your dreams come true. Maging masaya ka, happy, healthy, wealthy. Ulitin ko lang. At sa tagal ng pinagsamahan natin, wala na akong mababanggit na iba pa kundi magaling ka talagang makisama. You have always been a true friend, and I hope to see you soon and to team up with you again in the future. Kita kits, keep in touch.
Magandang umaga, May. Ako po'y bumabati sa iyo ng maligayang kaarawan at naway nasa mabuti kang kalagayan sa oras na ito. Sana marami pang darating na birthday sa iyong buhay. God bless you and bye-bye.
Happy birthday po, May. Many happy returns of the day. It's your birthday, so enjoy completely. Go out, eat a lot of chorizo, by the way, because you know my favorite taste chorizo. Your brother loves chorizo a lot, so many happy returns of the day po, May. May the Almighty shower all blessings to you and your family. Stay healthy, be happy, smile always. All the best for the future po. Thank you.
Hello, Miss Marian. Happy birthday sa'yo. Wish ko lang good health and stay pretty. Happy birthday.
Hi guys, it's Joe from Joe and Chris. I just want to wish my friend Miss Marian a very happy birthday. I hope she has many, many more to come, and you have a wonderful day. Okay, and thank you for always supporting Chris and I, not only us as a couple, but both of our channels. You've always been very supportive over the last couple of years since I've been into it, and we really, really appreciate it. So I hope you have a wonderful day, and happy birthday. Bye guys.
Ayan. Hello everyone. Ayan. Hello everyone. Ayan. Ako'y babati lang ng isang maligayang kaarawan sa aking kaibigan niya Sis May, Marian Official. Ayan. Pasensya na, nasa labas ako. Mas pinili ko dito mag-record sa labas kasi maingay sa bahay. At ngayon ay aking walking day lang nasa labas. So, ayan ang aking view. Ayan, I wish you all the best, Sis May. Happy birthday. At naway pagpalain ka ng may kapal, more blessings, and good health. Yan ang wish ko. At matupad ang iyong mga pangarap, especially para sa iyong mga anak. At more birthdays to come. Ayan. Happy birthday on behalf of Joe and Chris also. Joe and Chris in USA. Ako na ang babate kasi siya ay busy. Happy birthday, Sis May. Sana'y mag-enjoy ka at laging masaya. At huwag kalimutang magdasal sa Panginoon. Ano man ang ating mga pagsubok sa buhay ay iyong malagpasan. Happy birthday. At pakatatag ka. Yun lang naman ang ano natin wish natin sa buhay. Happy birthday, Sis May. Thank you for the friendship as always. Andito pa rin ako. Ilang taon na ba? Still existing sa iyong buhay. Andito pa rin ako. Kahit saan man makarating, I always remember you, Sis May. Ayan, happy birthday. At pagpalain ka nawa ng Panginoon. Happy birthday. God bless. Bye. Init.
Hi guys! Mega loud shout out sa lahat ng nanonood ng premiere ng ating kaibigan na si Sisi May Rivera. Gusto ko lang siyang batiin ng happiest birthday, Sisi May. God bless you. And more blessings to come and more birthdays to celebrate. And wish ko lang na sana matupad lahat ng mga pangarap mo. Happiest birthday, sis.
Hello. Hi, Sis May. Nandito na naman ako para batiin ka ng happy birthday. So, I wish you all the best and enjoy your birthday, okay? So, sana masaya ka sa birthday mo, okay? Nandito lang ako para suportahan ka lagi sa iyong pag-YT. Minsan pareho tayong busy, pero nandito lang ako. Di naman ako nawawala mula pa noon hanggang ngayon. So, again, happy birthday. God bless you and take care of yourself always, okay? So, happy birthday. God bless. Bye-bye.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning. I want to say happy birthday to Sis Marian, one of our Team Salute members. Happy birthday to you, Sis Marian. Hopefully, more birthdays to come in your life. Good health always. Enjoy your special day today. And I'm happy to know you and to have you in our team, because I really happy of our team, you know, that I am the one of our member of the Team Salute. Thank you so much to our new founder, Ella Queen and Sir King. Sir King, thank you so much for everything. To all our members, to all, thank you everybody. I love you all once again. Sis Marian, happy birthday. This is Sweetie Ding. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Sisiko. May you have many more birthday and blessings to come. From Ayaka TV. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday to you. Nakapula pa ako eh. Nakapula pa yan pero hindi naman halatang pula siya. Kasi black and white niya yung aking video, maiba naman. So, since birthday mo Lods Marian, so naghanap ako ng pwestong dito kumuha ng video greetings kasi busy ang person eh. Kahit 1 minute lang. So, since birthday mo, happy birthday. And then, God bless. Mag-ingat ka palagi. So, wish ko lang more birthday to come. Tsaka, ang importante ma-enjoy mo yung birthday. And then, ayun lang. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Always mag-ingat. Ayan. Thank you so much, Lods. And, happy birthday once again. Yan. So, yun. Thank you. Mag-ingat lagi. God bless. God bless. Bye-bye.
Hi, my love. Happy birthday. Wish ko sa'yo, sana lagi kang mag-ingat. Good health. Lagi. Tsaka, thank you so much sa lahat. You are the best. You are my best friend. Thank you. Thank you so much sa lahat ng mga ginagawa mo para sa akin. Happy birthday. Love you.
Hello, Sisi Yum Yum. Happy birthday. And God bless you more. And stay healthy. And your 2 sons. God bless you more. Happy birthday. Char.
Happy birthday, Mama! Happy birthday, Mama! Happy birthday, Mama! I love you, Mama! I miss you! Ingat ka palagi!
Happy birthday, Mama! Ingat kayo palagi yan. I love you.
Princess. Happy birthday. Ako Jillian.
Happy birthday, Mama. May this year give you a healthy mind and body. And this year may give you a healthy hope and love. Yun lang. Ingat ka palagi. Love you. Happy birthday, Mama.
Okay. Happy birthday daw.
Happy birthday, Mama!